Hello, everyone. My name is Ashley Arnold, and I'm going to be reading you a Yoga Nidra. So, Yoga Nidra is referred to as yogic sleep, and this is for my art practices 2 final for change in audience. So, Yoga Nidra has this unique ability to work with the wavelengths of the brain to be able to bring us into a state of calm, bring us back into our bodies, help to soothe and smooth through the nervous system. And it's really great for all stress, all life, and is really helpful in times like right now, finals and the holidays. So go ahead and find a nice, comfortable space for you to rest in. And that can be anything from in a chair that you're sitting in. Maybe we fold forward over the table, cross the arms, and let the third eye come down. Maybe we find ourselves in our bed, on the couch. If you prefer to take this on the ground on your yoga mat, even outside if you'd like with earbuds, wherever you feel most comfortable. There will be times during this practice that you hear my voice, you may not hear my voice, or somewhere in between. There's no right or wrong way to do Yoga Nidra, and know that this can be done as many times as you like. This video and this Nidra is going to be available to you to use as many times as you like. There's no such thing as too many Nidras in a day, a week, or a month. And please share this with your loved ones, your friends, your family, or anyone that you think may need just a little breather. So, with that being said, now that we have found our way to our comfortable space, allow the eyes to close over and allow your attention to move inward. Feel your whole being beginning to soften and relax. Breathe in fully and exhale with a deep sigh. Again, full body inhale. Exhale and let go even more. Feel a sense of comfort, safety, and peace begin to wash over you. Bring your body into your awareness. Recognize that your body has been a trusted vehicle. It has allowed your expression in the world, creating accomplishments and contributions to the best of its ability. Now it is time for your body to rest deeply. As we enter this phase of Yoga Nidra, remain as motionless as possible. If you need to move or make an adjustment, do so mindfully and return to stillness as soon as possible. Resolve to remain awake, staying in touch with the sound of my voice. Simply allow your entire body to respond to what I say directly and non-mentally. Allow all thought, all effort to dissolve into the vast spaciousness of being. Enter into a state of complete non-doing. Release your attention and allow it to float freely throughout your experience. Notice how it may gravitate towards a thought, move to a sensation, or rest on the breath. Make no effort to interfere with or control attention. Simply watch as it spontaneously and effortlessly moves among the various experiences present in each moment. Now bring your awareness to the breath. Become aware of your natural breath pattern without trying to control or change it. Just watch and observe the movement. You may find the breath to be fast, maybe slow, maybe deep or shallow. Whatever is happening, relax and witness the breath. Remain connected to every breath in, every breath out. If any thoughts come into your mind, let them go and come back to awareness of the breath. Belly rising as you inhale. Belly falling as you exhale. Now feel that the breath is becoming very quiet, very still, almost non-existent. Becoming more relaxed and peaceful with each breath. Internal organs all letting go of their tension. Muscles softening, melting. Feel yourself overcome with a deep sense of peace. Allow it to pervade all aspects of your being. Allow yourself to respond directly and non-mentally as we move awareness through different parts of the body. Allow your intention to move without effort or strain, optimizing the flow and release of energy blockages. brow center, pit of the throat, right shoulder, elbow, wrist, thumb, index finger, middle finger, ring finger, right pinky, wrist, elbow, shoulder, pit of the throat, left shoulder, elbow, wrist, thumb, index finger, middle finger, ring finger, left pinky, wrist, elbow, shoulder, pit of the throat, Vishuddha, middle of the chest, right side of the chest, middle of the chest, left side of the chest, middle of the chest, anahata, solar plexus, lower abdomen, middle of the pelvis, navel point, lower abdomen, middle of the chest, anahata, pit of the throat, Vishuddha. Now bring your attention to the third eye, Anjna, and disappear into vast, silent spaciousness. Thoughts and images rising and dissolving, forming and dissipating within that sky-like field of awareness. Released energies, balancing, integrating, restoring. It is dark. Imagine that you are walking through a forest. You are carrying a backpack. In it are your most treasured items. In the far distance, you see a bonfire burning. As you approach the bonfire, you see that no one is around. You know that this bonfire has been made for you. So you feel safe to take off your backpack, sit down, and rest. Slowly, you unpack your backpack. One by one, you arrange your most treasured belongings neatly alongside the bonfire. Look at your belongings. Notice what is most important to you. Just behind you, you notice the flickering light from the bonfire illuminating a well. You walk over. The well is dark and deep, a cylindrical tunnel into the depths of the earth. There is a bucket on a chain. You lower it into the well. It disappears into darkness of the well. You can feel the bucket on the chain in the depths, but you cannot see it. Now pull the bucket up. Notice what it feels like as that begins to come close to the surface. As the bucket comes close to the surface, you tilt it towards the light so that you are able to see what is inside. Become aware of spontaneous thoughts and feelings arising without needing to do anything about them. As you look at what has surfaced, bring it back with you towards the heat of the bonfire. You have a choice. If what has surfaced is a helpful, treasured part of you, you may choose to keep it and place it alongside your other most treasured items. If it is not helpful, you have the choice to throw it into the bonfire and watch it dissolve and disappear. If you choose to burn your item, throw it into the fire now. Watch it curl up into the flames and disappear. You are now unburdened, free, and clear of that thing. If you choose to keep your item, place it alongside your other most treasured items. Allow this part of you to take its rightful place. Notice how you feel more whole, more complete as you recognize, honor, and accept this beautiful part of you. With this resolve, you allow yourself to deeply rest and integrate by the bonfire, recognizing that the choice you have made affects you on every level of your being. Feel it reshaping and changing your entire energetic structure to reflect this shift that you have made. As light begins to dawn and the fire burns low, It is time to move on. Reverently, you begin to place your most treasured items one by one into your backpack. Placing the backpack on your back, you once again continue on your journey, pausing for a moment to look back at the well and the smoldering fire that have helped you come to a resolution this night. Give yourself the permission to enter into the deepest level of relaxation right now. Let go. Nothing to do or achieve. Dissolve and disappear into stillness. Thoughts rising and dissolving, coming and going without preference or pull towards any one thought. Energy of sensation gathering, forming and dissipating. Rest back as the capacity that you are. Allow all things to be. Rest in vast, spacious awareness. That releases, shifts, and changes that need to take place are happening independent of your doing. Let go. Recognize at this time that you have made a major shift in perspective. This shift will enable you to interact with yourself and with the world in a new way. The more often you connect with this new perspective, the more empowered you become to shape and create your own life. You are the creator of your experience of life. You are the creator of your experience of life. You are the creator of your experience of this life. Slowly feel yourself beginning to rise back to the surface of your awareness. Notice the rising and falling of your breath. No effort, no control on your part. Slowly begin to come back to awareness of your physical body. Feel the sensation of your body as it rests, roots into the earth below. The quality of the air in the room as it touches your skin. When you feel the impulse, begin to move and stretch your body as if awakening from a deeply restful sleep. If the impulse is to remain still, do so. And it is here that we acknowledge the Anahata chakra, the space in which your soul resides, and the space in which your heart, your master muscle, lives, delivers, and provides the life, the blood, the prana, and joy throughout the entirety of this earthbound vehicle. I hope that this pause, this deep restoration continues on with you into this beautiful day ahead. But until then, my yogi, from my heart space to yours, I hope you have the most beautiful day of your choosing. Namaste and Jai Bhagwan. Thank you for taking this time out for yourself to reset, to recharge. If you have questions, please feel free to let me know. You can either find me on Instagram, ASHBBKF, and shoot me a message if you have any questions. Otherwise, again, share this with as many that you'd like. Use it as often as you'd like yourself. And from my heart space to yours, thank you again for taking this time out for yourself. This is the self-care. This is the work. So thank you again. It's been such an amazing class this semester in art practices too. I've been able to really meet some amazing individuals and fellow humans and artists. And I'm excited to see what we're bringing to you in the future. So take this with you into the day, into the night, whatever time it may be, wherever you are. Thank you.